right, boys and girls, today you're taking your first test over decimals. You're going to be reading, writing, comparing, ordering, adding, and subtracting decimal numbers to the thousandths place. Your problems are on AG 37 through 40. If you'll tear them out, put them in order, and I will put a staple in them. Number 1. Which decimal is greater than 883 thousandths? 88 hundredths, 338 thousandths, 888 thousandths, 833 thousandths. Number 2. Volunteers at a food pantry collected $575.26 in cash donations. They spent $95.15 on food. How much money from the donations is left? $375.85, $225.11, $480.11, $105.75. Number 3. Jaden biked 372 thousandths miles with his father. What is the distance biked rounded to the nearest hundredth? So you round to the hundredths place. 37 hundredths miles, 38 hundredths, 4/10ths, or 3/10ths miles. Number 4. Mr. Chang has $405.62 in his checking account. How much does he have after he spends $37.84? $615.62, $367.78, $443.46, $247.84. Number 5, Hero builds a scale model of a bridge that measures 572 thousandths meters tall. What is 572 thousandths rounded to the nearest tenth? 57 hundredths, 5/10ths, 6/10ths, or 1/2. Remember, rounded to the nearest tenth, to the tenths place. Number 6. This one you can skip. So you can put an X through it. You do not have to do the properties of addition today. Number 7. On Saturday, Izzy hiked 4 252 thousandths kilometers. Laura hiked 4 214 thousandths kilometers. And Anna hiked 4 403 thousandths kilometers. Which lists the girl in order of the distance they hiked from longest to shortest? Make sure you do longest to shortest. Anna, Laura, Izzy. Izzy, Laura, Anna. Laura, Izzy, Anna. Anna, Izzy, Laura. Number 8. At her first swim lesson, Leah swam for 15 218 thousandths seconds without stopping. After her second lesson, she could swim for 57 907 thousandths seconds without stopping. About how many more seconds could Leah swim without stopping after her second swim lesson? 60 seconds? 33 seconds, 43 seconds, or 55 seconds. Number 9. A teacher's desk is 725 thousandths meters long. What is the length of the desk rounded to the nearest hundredth? So you're rounding to the hundredths. 73 hundredths meters, 72 hundredths meters, 8/10ths meters, or 7/10ths meters. Number 10. It is 10 and 85 miles from Fred's house to the beach. Fred and his family have driven 8 and 10 miles so far. How many more miles do they need to drive before they reach the beach? So it's 10 and 85 miles away. They've gone 8 and 10. How much farther? How many more miles? 18 and 95, 2 and 75, 12 and 65, or 7 and 25. Number 11. A badminton shuttlecock has a mass of 5,000 kilograms. What is the value of the 5 in this number? 5/10, 5,000, 500, or 5 ones? Number 12. Dan has $50. At the camping store, he buys a water bottle, a cooler, and a can of bug spray. What is the, water bottle, cooler, bug spray. What is the best estimate of how much money Dan has left? $20, $35, $25, or $16? Number 13. Which correctly compares the decimals 7 and 200,000ths and 7 and 2/10? Number 14. Gilda rounds 258 thousandths to 2600ths. To what place value did Gilda round to? To what place value does Gilda round? Tenths, ones, thousandths, or hundredths? Number 15. Which shows 1 and 267 thousandths written in expanded form? 1 plus 267 thousandths, 1 and 2/10 plus 1 and 600 plus 1 and 7 thousandths, 1 plus 2/10 plus 600 plus 7 thousandths, or 1/10 plus 2/10 plus 600 plus 7 thousandths. Nope, you may not have seen that. Let me redo that one. Which shows 1 and 267 thousandths written in expanded form? 1 plus 267 thousandths, 1 and 2/10 plus 1 and 600 plus 1 and 7 thousandths, 1 plus 2/10 plus 600 plus 7 thousandths, or 1/10 plus 2/10 plus 600 plus 7 thousandths. Number 16. Again, this one is extra. If you get this one wrong, it is not going to go against you. We did not do commutative property, so you can put an X through that, but you could try and figure it out and what number would need to go there so that this side is equal to this side. I think you could do it, and you could put the number in and bubble it in. Number 17. Which shows 125 thousandths written in expanded form? 1/10 plus 200ths plus 5 thousandths, 1 plus 2/10 plus 500ths, 1/10 plus 200ths plus 500ths, 1/10 plus 2 thousandths plus 5 thousandths. Number 19. Ed has 3 and 75 pieces of pizza. He eats 1 and 50 slices. About how many slices of pizza does Ed have left? 5/10, 2, 5, 2 and 75. Number 19. Mr. Evans bought 4 and 55 pounds of green grapes and 2 and 65 pounds of red grapes. How many pounds of grapes did Mr. Evans buy in all? 5 and 20 pounds, 9 and 25 hundredths pounds, 6 and 50 hundredths pounds, 7 and 20 hundredths pounds. And the last one, put an X through it. You do not need to know associative property today. We will talk about properties later on. So, number 20, number 16, and number 6 are all talking about properties. You do not have to do them. Put an X through them. Number 16, if you would like to do it, you can. It's not going to count against you. All right, good luck. Make sure you check your work, read through, make sure your name is on the paper, and then turn it in. Thank you.